You use these items every single day, maybe even multiple times a day, but there's a very high chance you've been using them completely wrong your entire life. Don't worry, you're not alone. But today, we're going to fix that. Stick around for 10 everyday things that you're about to learn how to use the right way. First up, let's talk about toothpaste. Every morning, every night, you squeeze it onto your brush. But how much? If you're covering the entire length of the bristles like they do in the commercials, you're using way too much. The truth is, all you really need is a pea-sized amount. It cleans your teeth just as effectively. Why do the ads show a huge wave of paste? It is a clever trick by toothpaste companies to get you to use up the tube faster, and of course, buy more. So, next time you brush, remember, less is more. You'll save money and get the same sparkling clean result. All right, moving from the bathroom to the kitchen. Have you ever wondered about that hole in the middle of your pasta spoon? Most people think it's just for draining water when you scoop out your pasta. While it does help with that, its primary and much cooler function is as a measuring tool. That little hole is designed to measure out exactly 1 serving of dry spaghetti. Mind-blowing, right? No more guessing games or cooking a mountain of pasta for just one person. Just slide your spaghetti through the hole, and you've got the perfect portion size every single time. It's a game changer for pasta night. Now let's head over to your desk. Look at your keyboard. See those little feet on the back that you can flip out? You probably think they're there to make typing more comfortable, to give your keyboard a nice ergonomic angle. Well, prepare to be surprised, because they do the exact opposite. Those little legs can actually increase strain on your wrists by forcing them into an unnatural upward angle. For better wrist posture and long-term comfort, especially if you type a lot, you should keep them folded down. A flat keyboard encourages a more neutral wrist position, reducing the risk of strain. It might feel a bit weird at first, but your wrists will thank you later. Next, let's talk about the microwave, the master of leftovers. But how many times have you reheated a plate of food, only to find it scorching hot on the outside and still cold in the middle? The problem isn't your microwave, it's how you're arranging the food. Most of us just pile everything in a lump in the center of the plate. The secret to even reheating is to distribute the food in a ring, leaving a hole in the middle, kind of like a donut. This allows the microwaves to circulate and cook the food much more evenly from all sides. No more hot spots or icy centers. Let's stay in the kitchen for this next one. Aluminum foil. We've all been there. You pull out the box, try to tear off a sheet, and the entire roll comes tumbling out. It's super frustrating. But what if I told you there's a feature built right into the box to prevent this? Take a close look at the side panels of the box. You'll find little perforated press-in tabs. They're usually marked with a little arrow or text that says "press here." Just push those tabs in. They lock the roll in place, acting as a secure spindle. Problem solved. No more rogue rolls of foil escaping from their box. Here's a small one that makes a big difference. Tic Tacs. When you want one, do you just shake the container over your hand and hope for the best, usually ending up with a handful? There's a much more elegant way. Take a look at the lid. You see that little indented shape inside the flip top? That's not just for decoration. It's a perfectly designed dispenser. Just turn the container upside down with the lid closed, give it a gentle shake to get 1 Tic Tac into the groove, and then open the lid. Voila! A single perfectly dispensed Tic Tac, just for you. Back to the stove we go. That hole at the end of your pan or pot handle isn't tea, just for hanging it up on a rack. While it's great for storage, it has another brilliant purpose while you're cooking. It's designed to hold the handle of your cooking spoon or spatula. Just rest your utensil in the hole, and it will keep the messy end suspended over the pan, not dripping all over your clean countertop. It's a simple built-in spoon rest that keeps your kitchen tidy while you cook up a storm. Okay, let's crack open a cold one. A can of soda. You pop the tab, but then you have to deal with your straw bobbing around and floating to the top. It's a minor annoyance, but an annoyance nonetheless. The solution is right there in front of you. After you open the can, don't just leave the tab pushed back. Instead, Twist it around so that it's sitting over the opening. Now, you can slide your straw through the hole in the tab. It holds your straw securely in place, so it won't go anywhere. No more chasing your straw around the can. This next one is a crucial safety tip. Your car's headrests. You probably think they're just for comfort, to rest your head against on a long drive. They do provide support, but they have a life-saving secondary function. They are designed to be detachable. In an emergency, like if you're trapped in your car after an accident and need to break a window, you can pull the headrest out of the seat. The strong metal prongs at the bottom are sturdy enough to be used to shatter the side window glass, allowing you to escape. It's a safety feature you hope you never have to use, but it's vital to know it's there. And finally, for our 10th tip, let's talk about those little paper condiment cups you get at fast food restaurants for your ketchup or sauce. Are you always struggling to get enough sauce in that tiny cup, or making multiple trips back to the dispenser? Well, that little cup has a secret. It's designed to be unfolded. Gently pull apart the pleated sides, and the cup will fan out into a shallow dish. This gives you a much larger surface area, making it easier to dip things like fries or nuggets, and allowing you to hold more sauce at once. No more double dipping or Jenga stacking your fries to get some ketchup. So there you have it. 10 things you've likely been using wrong your whole life, but now you're in on the secret. From the kitchen to your car, these little adjustments can make your daily routines a whole lot smoother. Which one of these surprised you the most? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed these everyday discoveries, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to